today I'm going to be putting the JCR roof rack on top of the XJ and just be going through that process. I've never done the JCR roof rack before, so it'll be a learning experience for me. And hopefully, if you're watching this, you can learn a couple things through my trials and errors to make your install go easier, or your decision to purchase that rack. Alright, so we were looking for instructions. We found this business card in here. It says go to their website for instructions. Mount the strip of trim at the bottom edge of the front fairing. Start just outside of the peak of the bottom edge and continue until it reaches the fillet point on the other side. Copy the extra, then cut the extra in half and mount the two pieces to the bottom of the rear facing wherever it contacts the roof of the vehicle. Put the strip on. Next, mount the front and rear fairings. To do this, use the 1/4 by 23/4 screws. That's what we're using, with washers, and then 1/4 inch serrated flange nuts. The front fairing will need 2 per side, and the rear facing will also need 2 per side. When mounting the rear fairing, adjust it all the way up to avoid contact with the roof, and leave the bolts loose enough to be able to make adjustments once it's on the vehicle. So now we have to put these brackets on. Next, we put it on the roof, making sure that the mounts are on the on the inside of the rain gutters. Then position the rack wherever you would like to on the roof. We recommend positioning it so the rear fairing is just in front of the gap between the body of the vehicle and the hatch. In this position, it is as far back as it could go without hindering the ability to open the hatch. So, sounds good to me. Just even go. Alright, rack is on. We put the lifted the gate, put the rear just so it's right on the edge of the Jeep. It's still got some clearance there. One thing to be decided is what to do on the front. It doesn't really follow the contour of the roof as close as I'd like, so to Amir's point, maybe just we'll bring it up and make this look flush and then take that rubber piece off so it doesn't look like it was supposed to, but we'll figure that out. Probably one of the last steps. Now it looks like normal. Looks like it's not supposed to touch. Yeah, it does. No, I agree with you. Maybe once I put a light bar up there. So this is cut out for a light bar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so a light bar will sit in there. I just wanted to put it on before I bought the light bar.
Mm-hmm.
It has the bracket for the light bar too. Alright, the rack is on. Raised that there since it didn't match to make it look a little more uniform. On the back we raised it just enough to get off the hinges. Go drive and make sure it doesn't whistle too bad. If it does, we'll adjust the front fairing area to see if we can't reduce it. Hopefully it doesn't.